Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. I had this for kind of breakfast at 4 a.m. while watching my country at the World Cup against Sweden. And this is how Pattaya looked like after our victory. Anyway, sometime after that, I went to make some content for y'all over there. My subscribers have spoken and I listen. For now on, I'm making YouTube shorts for y'all on a daily basis. At first, I came outside to do some workout below my condo, but instead I continued this purpose on this side. So this video is the behind the scene all of the shorts that I've took this morning that I will release today and tomorrow. To all my new subscribers, I hope that y'all appreciate this fresh footage of the Bali Pier, the Pattaya sign, and this outdoor gym. So that was it. I hope that y'all appreciate just like I did making this content. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. I couldn't end up this healthy vlog without sharing with y'all what I had for lunch. Home-cooked kapau chicken. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.